What is the value of height up to which the object can rebound from the ground? The object is falling from a height of 10 meters above the ground, and after striking the ground, it loses 50% of its kinetic energy. So first, we can talk about the initial energy before impact. So the object initially falls from a height of 10 meters. So we know that the initial potential energy can be written as mgh. When the object reaches the ground, all of its potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy. It's a known one. So here we can write the kinetic energy before impact will be equal to gh then. So now there will be the energy lost during the impact as well. So the energy lost on an impact can be calculated based on a given detail in the question. So the problem states that the object loses 50% of its kinetic energy because of impact. Therefore, the remaining kinetic energy after impact will be equal to 0.5 times of kinetic energy before impact, or else we can write 0.5 times mgh because we calculated the kinetic energy before impact is mgh. So this is a value of kinetic energy after impact. So here we can calculate the value of height of rebound by using a kinetic energy relation. The kinetic energy after an impact is converted back into potential energy as the object rebounds. So the potential energy at a maximum rebound height can be written as potential energy rebound will be equal to mgh of rebound height, right? Since kinetic energy after impact will be equal to the potential energy of rebound, we can write 0.5 times kinetic energy before impact will be equal to mghr. So again, this can be written as 0.5 times mgh is equal mg times hr. So when we are cancelling the similar terms, we will have 0.5 times h is equal hr, whereas h is a height which is given as 10 meter in the question. So when we are applying the value, 0.5 times 10 will be equal to hr. So the rebounds height will be equal to 5 meter. So the correct answer for this question is option D here.